Hello, and welcome to Traveling with Teens. I'm Tony, originally from Michigan in the US.
And I'm Beth from the UK. We recently stayed with our two teenage sons at the Drury Plaza Hotel, which is located near Disney Springs in Orlando.
As a Disney Good Neighbor hotel, there are some great perks to staying here, including access to early magic hours at the parks, as well as complimentary Disney shuttle buses.
There are also a few other perks that make this hotel great. A fantastic hot breakfast is included, more on this later. Free coffee throughout the day, snacks and popcorn free from 4 p.m, vouchers for 3 free drinks including alcohol and complimentary food available from 5:30.
This is known as the Drury's Kickback and features hot dinnertime snacks, beer, wine, mixed drinks, and soft drinks. Again, whatever you're drinking, your first 3 beverages are free.
The hotel is impressive from the outside and looks great lit up in the evening. There's plenty of parking space available, but be aware that this does cost $25 per night.
However, unlike some Orlando accommodations, there is no resort fee at the Drury Plaza, and the other benefits more than make up for the parking costs.
Shuttle buses to the Disney parks leave from right outside the hotel and seem to run from early in the morning till late at night. We didn't use them as we planned to spend our time at Disney Springs while we stayed here, and that is walkable from the hotel. They even have boxes of lollipops for the kids.
I'm not sure if that was a Halloween thing or if it's a thing that they have all the time. The lobby area is very modern, as is the whole hotel. Spacious and clean, and the reception staff were fantastic. Really welcoming when we arrived late, and they had great local knowledge. There was a little bit of Disney magic involved with all of them.
Due to flight delays, we were starving when we arrived, so we ate in the kitchen plus bar on the first night, and were really impressed with the burgers we ordered. They were around $20 each, but definitely worth it. The service was great, and this was something that we experienced during the whole of our stay at the Drury Plaza.
There is plenty of space to sit in the lobby area, and there were USB points available to charge devices everywhere. Plus space if you needed to work. The Wi-Fi throughout the hotel is excellent, free of charge and very fast.
The on-site shop sells food and drink items. Plus souvenirs and other items you may have forgotten to pack. We didn't buy anything as we were so well provided with drinks and food during our stay that we didn't need to get anything else.
Current room rates on the Drury Plaza website have the room we stayed in at $144.99 per night. For everything included, this seems really reasonable to us. We paid a little extra for Firework View rooms, which overlooked the springs and allowed us to watch the Magic Kingdom fireworks from our room on our second night.
To the left of the reception, you will find the Concierge desk where you can purchase theme park tickets. There is also a coffee station here that is available 24 hours. There is also a small games room.
The hotel is tastefully decorated with Orlando-themed artwork, which we really enjoyed. You'll even find a Mickey Premium Bar selfie wall, which Beth loved. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful or entertaining, please consider subscribing.
Our channel is only 2 months old, and though we're proud to have over 250 subscribers, we'd love you to be one of the first 300.
Just click that subscribe button in the lower right of your screen so you don't miss our new content that comes out every Monday.
Being a large hotel, there is a conference centre which seemed quite busy when we were there. It didn't impact on our vacation though. In fact, it made it more interesting. There was a crime prevention conference happening with visiting law enforcement officers from all over the greater Orlando area. Seeing all the different police cars parked in the car park was really interesting, and I've never made a Mickey waffle next to a sheriff before.
Out the back of the hotel, there is a large seating area where you can relax. Food and drink can be ordered both from the kitchen plus bar inside, as well as a small bar outside.
We didn't have time to use the pool, but it looked great. The pool is 5,000 square feet. There are plenty of sun lounges and a couple of hot tubs, and there's also a splash zone for the kids. It got fairly busy during the day, but not to the point that you wouldn't find a space to relax. The landscaping is lovely throughout this whole area.
The stairs near the elevator will take you to the second floor, which is where you will find the Drury Plaza's main restaurant. The buffet restaurant opens early enough for people to make it to rope drop at the parks. We were really impressed with what they had to offer. There was plenty of fruit, pastries, cereals, plus hot food breakfast options. This is also where the 5 p.m. kickback is served, but we never made it to this as we were outside of the hotel.
The Drury Plaza has the freshest Mickey waffles, as you can make them yourself. There are little pots of batter ready to go. You pour it in and follow the instructions, and minutes later you have a large fresh waffle. Worth staying here for that alone.
You will also find a guest laundry on the second floor. Plus a well-equipped gym. We would have happily used this gym if we'd been staying for longer. The machines were really new and there was plenty of space to work out. Very impressed.
We stayed in room 906, which, as we've said, overlooked Disney Springs and provided a view of the fireworks at Magic Kingdom. To your right on entry is the first of 2 sinks. A microwave, a small fridge, coffee making facilities, and a safe.
The safe is big enough for a laptop. This is a 17-inch MacBook Pro and they don't come much bigger than that, and it easily fit in. There is even an ironing board and an iron in the room.
The bathroom is a good size with a big sink space and mirror. The shower is a really great size too.
The 2 queen beds were very comfortable. The nightstand had charging points and there were additional charging points on the desk also. There was a large chest of drawers that we didn't use as we were only staying a couple of nights, but would be really handy for longer stays, and we would certainly stay here longer. There is a side table and 2 large chairs by the window, and the room has a large TV mounted to the wall.
We had paid extra for a view and this didn't disappoint. We could see the pool, Disney Springs beyond, and make out many of the theme park landmarks. We got a great view of the Magic Kingdom fireworks from here.
One of the benefits of jet lag means that we're always up to catch the sunrise on our first day in Orlando. We even caught sight of our first raccoon of the trip.
After a fab breakfast, we headed to Disney Springs. This was a really nice walk and only took about 15 minutes. got there just before 9 a.m. and were first into the Springs, and we headed straight to Gideon's, which you'll be able to see in our next vlog.
Next time on Traveling with Teens, we move on from the Disney Springs area to Port Orleans French Quarter.
And answer the question, are our teenagers too old for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party?
We're not. See you next time.